The Viking Ship Museum. It is located on the Bygdøy Peninsula in Oslo, Norway. The Viking Ship Museum houses three Viking-era burial ships that were found as part of archaeological finds from Gokstad, Oseberg, Tønsberg and Borre Mound Cemetery. Ship burial had been a prominent tradition by Viking Age Norsemen, where the deceased was laid in a boat or a ship and given grave offerings. They buried the departed with goods that denoted their social status. Gokstad was a flexible and fast ship suitable for sailing on the high seas, and it was used for the burial of a rich and powerful man or a warrior who has died around in his 50s. The Oseberg ship is used as a burial ship for two women. It is richly decorated and was equipped with lavish burial gifts for the two women on board. These are the best preserved Viking ships in the world. All ships were built in the 9th century and were excavated from the Oslofjord region between the end of the 19th century and the start of the 20th century. In addition to the ship burials, the museum exhibits weapons, jewelry, wood carving, and other objects from the Viking Age. There is a nice display of historical Viking artifacts. 5 unique carved animal heads were found in the Oseberg grave. 4 of them are exhibited in the museum. The cart from the Oseberg finding is the only of its kind from the Norwegian Viking Age. The body of the cart is made of oak and it has intricate carvings. The elevated status of the women in the Oseberg grave was underlined by their means of transport. Not only did they have a beautiful cart, but also 3 splendid sleighs. There was a movie presented about Vikings and boats, which was projected on the walls and ceiling. After 95 years in operation, the Viking Ship Museum is now closed for rebuilding, and the new museum opens in 2026 as the Museum of the Viking Age. The Viking Ship Museum has been a national symbol and gathering place for Norway's most important cultural heritage. For almost 100 years, the ship graves from Oseberg, Gokstad, and Tønsberg and Borre have captivated visitors from all over the world.